Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the StarMaker app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your songs private and hide it from other users. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the StarMaker app on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you can search for any song that you want to sing and start singing right away. Once you complete the singing of your song, you will be taken into the edit page. Here you can adjust the level of voice and music, correct your latency, as well as remove the background noises and add various equalization filters. Once you have adjusted all of these, you have the option to either save this recording to your draft or press the next button to proceed towards publishing. Make sure that you have achieved your desired effect and your song sounds exactly the way you want it to. Once you are done, you can press the next button, and now this will take you into the post page. You can type in your desired caption for your music, and you can also use hashtags and mentions. Now, before posting, make sure to change the visibility option if you don't want anyone to access your recording. By default, this is visible to everyone. So tap on this option, and now you have two other options. You can either make your cover visible to your mutual followers, or the final option is to make it visible only to you, which will make your song private. So if you want your song to not be shared with anyone else, then make sure to choose this option. Also, if you don't want others to be able to download your song, tap on the advanced settings and make sure the allow others to download toggle is turned off. Then tap on the save button, and now you can finally post your song as a private cover so that no one will have access apart from you. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your songs or covers private on the StarMaker app. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.